Check this out. We're in Eugene, Oregon on the UP Brooklyn subdivision. This is a newly restored Southern Pacific bay window caboose by the Union Pacific in February of 2025. You heard that correct. This was restored at the UP Salt Lake City shops and is in the process of being sent back home to Oak Ridge, Oregon, where it has been living for quite a number of years. Right now it is being moved through the Eugene yard on the South Switcher job, and I was very lucky to show up here and actually catch it in motion. I have been told that this was a request by someone in upper management at the UP. They told the shops in Salt Lake City to restore it in SP as it has been since 1979 when it was delivered to the Southern Pacific. What a super neat thing to see in 2025, and not something I ever thought the Union Pacific would be game for doing. I have seen a photo of the inside, which I unfortunately can't share, but it is very nice with new countertops, lighting, chairs, and an air conditioning unit. This will be used for maintenance purposes out of Oak Ridge. I'm very glad I could get some footage of it while it's still shiny and new. Subscribe and hit the bell if you're enjoying. Just minutes before that, I captured a southbound UP manifest train departing the yard to head up the hill to Oak Ridge and beyond, so here's a quick look at that. The South Switcher job is just to the left and is just about to pick up a string of cars in the distance that the Caboose is on. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.